Welcome to Stylarc's Carter Dress Knit Fabric Full Bust Adjustment tutorial. This is for a skill level of medium. So what is a full bust adjustment? The aim of a full bust adjustment is to add extra shaping and room in the bust area of the sewing pattern without altering the fit through the shoulders and the upper chest. It helps to achieve a better overall fit for those with a fuller bust than the pattern was originally drafted for. Before you get started, grab a measuring tape and we're going to do a couple of measurements. I want you to measure from the high shoulder to your bust apex. So we start with the measuring tape at the high point of your shoulder, which is where the shoulder seam meets the neckline, so typically the highest spot on a well-fitting garment. Then we want you to run the tape straight down over your bust to the apex, which is the fullest part of your bust. Before we adjust the pattern, we want to create an extension piece. So on a piece of paper, draw two horizontal parallel lines spaced 2 to 3 centimeters apart. Choose the distance based on how much length or fullness you need to add to your pattern. Go ahead and draw a vertical line between them to indicate the straight grain. This will help to keep your pattern aligned when adjusting. On the front bodice, mark the underarm side seam notch and add a second notch 8 centimeters below the original. Repeat this on the back bodice, aligning the second notch to match the placement on the front. Use your measurement from the start, locate the bust apex and draw the cutting line. Measure from your shoulder to the bust point, mark the point on the front pattern piece. Draw a horizontal line from the center front through to the bust apex and continuing to the side seam. Cut along to divide the front bodice into upper and lower sections. Add length and adjust for fullness. Adhere the upper and lower bodice to either side of the extension, aligning the straight grain. To add bust width, mark 1 centimeter outwards from the original side seam near the bust. Blend this line smoothly to meet the existing side seam at the notches. Trim off any excess paper. Cut out your new bodice in fabric. Make sure to clip all notches. Lengthen your stitch length and sew a gathering stitch just past your new notch. Align your notches and gather the front bodice to match with the back bodice. Sew your side seam. Continue to sew the pattern as per construction notes. Fantastic. Now you know how to do a full bust adjustment on the Carter dress. One step closer to the best fitting me-made dress yet. Have you found this tutorial helpful? Let us know in the comments and tag a sewing friend who's making the Carter dress and might need a FBA too. We can't wait to see your finished garment. Don't forget to tag at @styleark and use the hashtag #SACarterdress. Happy sewing from the Styleark team.